welder. It is a Vulcan. It is not red, it is not blue, it is orange, and it's from Harbor Freight. I have needed to upgrade my welder for many years and haven't. And the price point on this one seemed right and the reviews were right, so I will be testing the Harbor Freight Vulcan. I'm not going to do an unboxing piece by piece. I'll gotta get everything out and speed that part up because that's really boring. So, let's do this in the box. Congratulations! They get me stickers. So the model I went with was the OmniPro. This will do stick welding, it will do MIG welding and DC TIG, but it doesn't come with the TIG torch. We have to that after that fact. So I almost went with a titanium, which is also a Harbor Freight brand. It's no good. We were this close to getting a titanium. It was a little bit cheaper than the Vulcans. The reviews were just as good, and thankfully we were out of stock on the titanium, so we couldn't get one. We came home, watched some YouTube videos, and found out the titanium, same model as this. It's also a multi-process, and it does the TIG and the MIG. It's a scratch start TIG, so you can't hook up a pedal. There's no connection for it. Unlike this one. This one I can hook up a pedal. I like having the pedal. I'd probably get really frustrated without a pedal. So thankfully, did a little more research and went with the Vulcan. On the inside, right away what I like is that this has a cold wire feed. They give you a lot of your settings right off the bat, the duty cycles, and the coolest part about this is, you can't see it now, but there's an auto set. What was it, 120 settings? 100 and something settings.
132.
Oh. Let's read the box. 132 presets. What process?
Okay.
That's the word I was looking for.
I'll go back over here.
The auto set's cool. All you have to do is you're putting the material thickness and whatever process you're doing, and it will give you a guideline, but then you can fine tune it from there. I'm excited to try that out. I'm gonna peel off this sticker. This is my first new welder. After 8 years welding, I've never had a new welder. This is really exciting. See how she does. Lights just flickered a little bit.
Power out here. It's pretty old school.
Okay, so on the home screen here, you select your process. There's a 𝐏𝐫𝐢𝐜 and C100 is 100% C. Oh, that would make sense.
Yeah.
We are 𝐏𝐸. So I'm going to set it for 10 gauge. Okay, see how it goes. Use your muscles.
Use your pliers and brand new.
You want to use a plier on the brand? It's late. It's like midnight right now on a Monday night. This is why we do our best and longest moments. Okay, I'm not wearing the proper PPE.
It's all the way up at the house.
Come at me, OSHA fanatics. I'm excited, okay?
It's really hot.
It's super hot. God, it's probably still feels like it's still 90.
Cut that part out.
Suicidal fly.
Good. Good.
There's a couple of them. I'm happy with that. Focusing.
Follow that.
How's it look? Those are some dimes right there. What about a vertical? Ooh. Ooh, that's pretty. Would you look at that?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
You happy with it so far? Ooh, 1/4 inch. Wow.
Some nasty horseshoes. See what happens.
You need to turn up the.
No, that's actually not bad. Rusty horseshoe. There's no porosity on that. T-joints. Some butt welds. Alright guys, so this is the follow-up to the unboxing that we did that Monday at midnight. It was late, we're tired and excited. I've been welding with this for the last couple Mondays since, and it's done great. It doesn't weld like a Harbor Freight, to be honest with you. It's cut my cleanup time in half, just having the gas for my metal art. This is all the work that it's done. It's paid for itself in the time that it saved me and in the product that it's turned out. And to fully test, I tried it on extremely rusty steel, and even in that case, it welded great. What are you doing? I did get the extended warranty from Harbor Freight, so for at least 2 years I'll be covered with this purchase. If you're looking for a starter welder, I think this is a good place to start. And this does give you the opportunity to try some TIG down the road. I'm excited to try that. We'll see how that tests out. If it's anything like the MIG, I think it'll be good. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed and hope this helps if you're kind of on the fence for the Harbor Freight Vulcan.